What if just a few plants could completely transform your living room into a stylish, cozy paradise? Imagine walking into a space that feels fresh, relaxing, modern, and full of life every single day. The secret isn't expensive furniture or luxury renovations. It's smart plant decor. From giant tropical statement plants to floating shelves filled with trailing vines, indoor plants can instantly make any living room look like it came straight from Pinterest or a designer magazine. Even better, many of these ideas are simple, affordable, and perfect for beginners. In today's video, you'll discover 10 cool living room plant decor ideas that can upgrade your home without spending a fortune. Whether your style is modern, boho, minimalist, or cozy jungle-inspired, these decorating ideas will help you create a beautiful green space everyone will admire. Stay until the end because some of these plant styling tricks can make even small living rooms look bigger, brighter, and more luxurious instantly. Number 1. Create a giant plant corner jungle. Turn an empty corner into a relaxing indoor jungle using large statement plants like monstera, fiddle-leaf fig, rubber plant, or bird of paradise. Mix different heights and leaf shapes to create a layered tropical look. Place taller plants in the back and smaller plants in front for depth. Use woven baskets or ceramic pots to make the corner feel stylish and cozy. A plant corner instantly adds life, texture, and color to a boring living room. This idea works especially well near windows with bright indirect light. Add a small floor lamp beside the plants for an even more relaxing atmosphere at night. The more natural and lush the setup looks, the more luxurious your living room will feel without spending a lot of money. Number 2. Use floating shelves for plant styling. Floating shelves are one of the easiest ways to decorate with plants in small living rooms. Install wooden shelves on a blank wall and display trailing plants like pothos, string of pearls, or philodendrons. Mix plants with candles, books, and framed art for a modern Pinterest-style design. Vary the shelf heights to create visual movement and make the room feel larger. Let trailing vines hang naturally over the edges for a soft and elegant touch. This idea is perfect if you want more greenery without taking up floor space. White walls with green plants create a clean and fresh aesthetic that looks amazing in photos and videos. Number 3. Decorate a coffee table with mini plants. A simple coffee table can become a beautiful centerpiece with mini indoor plants. Use small succulents, cactus arrangements, or compact snake plants in decorative pots. Arrange them on a tray with candles or books for a balanced designer look. Mixing different textures and pot styles creates a more interesting setup. Small plants make the living room feel fresh without overwhelming the space. Choose low-maintenance varieties if you want easy care. This is one of the best decor ideas for beginners because it's affordable, simple, and instantly makes your room look more modern and welcoming. Number 4. Hang plants. Near windows, hanging plants add a stylish floating effect that makes living rooms feel airy and modern. Use ceiling hooks or wall-mounted hangers to display trailing plants like ivy, spider plant, or pothos near sunny windows. Macrame hangers create a cozy boho vibe, while minimalist black hangers give a modern look. Hanging plants are perfect for apartments or small spaces because they save floor area. Sunlight from the window also helps the plants thrive naturally. When the vines grow longer, they create a beautiful cascading effect that instantly catches attention and upgrades the entire room aesthetic. Number 5. Add a plant ladder shelf. A ladder shelf is one of the trendiest ways to display indoor plants. The open design allows sunlight to reach every plant while creating a layered decorative look. Place larger plants on the bottom shelves and smaller plants on top. Add decorative items like books, picture frames, or candles between the plants for balance. Black metal ladder shelves create a modern industrial vibe, while wooden shelves feel warm and natural. This setup works especially well in corners or beside sofas where empty vertical space needs decoration. Number 6. Style plants. Around the TV. Most TV walls look plain and lifeless, but plants can completely transform the area. Place medium-sized plants beside the TV stand and smaller plants on shelves nearby. Snake plants and ZZ plants work great because they tolerate indoor conditions well. The greenery softens the harsh look of electronics and adds warmth to the room. Keep the arrangement balanced so the plants frame the television instead of blocking it. This simple idea makes your entertainment area feel more cozy, stylish, and inviting. Number 7. Use matching pots for a luxury. Look, even simple plants can look expensive when the pots match your living room style. Choose a consistent color palette like white, black, beige, or terracotta. Matching pots create a clean designer appearance that makes the entire room feel organized. Matte ceramic pots are especially popular in modern homes. You can also mix textures while keeping similar colors for a sophisticated look. Stylish planters make plants feel like part of the furniture instead of random decorations. This small detail can dramatically improve your overall living room aesthetic. Number 8. Create a boho plant wall. A boho plant wall combines hanging plants, wall baskets, macrame, and wooden decor to create a cozy, artistic vibe. Mix different plant varieties with trailing vines for a relaxed, natural look. Add warm lighting or fairy lights to make the wall glow beautifully at night. This idea works perfectly behind a sofa or in an empty corner wall. The layered greenery creates texture and depth that instantly makes the room feel more creative and relaxing. Boho plant walls are extremely popular on social media because they look stylish, cozy, and visually impressive. Number 9. Place plants beside the sofa. Plants beside a sofa help frame the seating area and make the room feel balanced. Use tall plants like fiddle leaf figs or palms on one side and smaller accent plants on tables nearby. This setup softens the edges of furniture and creates a calm, relaxing atmosphere. If your sofa is neutral-colored, vibrant green plants will make the room feel brighter and more alive. Choose decorative pots that match your cushions or rugs to tie the whole design together. This is an easy decorating trick used by many interior designers. Number 10. Mix different plant heights. One secret to professional-looking plant decor is varying plant heights. Combine tall floor plants, medium table plants, and hanging plants together in one area. The layered effect creates depth and makes the living room feel dynamic instead of flat. Use plant stands to elevate smaller pots and create more visual interest. Avoid placing all plants at the same level because it can look boring. A mix of heights creates a natural jungle-inspired design that feels modern, cozy, and full of life. Plants can completely transform a living room from plain and boring into a stylish, relaxing space full of life. Whether you love modern, boho, minimalist, or jungle-style decor, adding greenery instantly makes your home feel fresher and more welcoming. Start small with a few easy plants, then slowly build your dream indoor plant setup over time. Which living room plant decor idea was your favorite?